Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect SureForms to GitHub using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new gist in GitHub using SureForms. I will use SureForms as a trigger node to send a message and interact with GitHub. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add SureForms as a trigger. Next, let's add SureForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select SureForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you would like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from SureForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a SureForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add GitHub as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select GitHub, Create a Gist, as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a GitHub connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide your GitHub credentials in the value field to establish a connection with GitHub. To get your credentials, visit the GitHub Developer Settings console. Now, click on the Generate New Token button and complete the token generation process. Once your access token is successfully generated, then copy it. Now go back to the BitFlows builder and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your GitHub node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, enter the gist file name that you want to send to GitHub, or you can also map the available fields from the SureForms responses to the GitHub fields. The Make Gist Public option allows you to control the visibility of your gist. Selecting it Yes makes the gist public, allowing anyone to see and share it, while deselecting it keeps the gist private for your personal use. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from SureForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in GitHub node. Step 5. Verify the created gist in GitHub. Finally, go to your GitHub Developer Settings page and click on the profile icon. Then select your gist. Here, you will see that a new gist has been successfully created in your GitHub account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.